Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the LiveTech PS06 power strip. This is a heavy-duty power strip. It has three 3-pin sockets and 6 USB-A slots. That's great. It also comes with 3 charging cables. We will take a look at that, of course. First, let's take a look at what other information we can gather. Right, do not use this power strip for heavy-duty home appliances like geysers, ACs, refrigerators, etc. Total load should not exceed 6 amperes. So yeah, that's not exactly for heavy machinery, but you can still use it for a lot of other devices. The rated voltage is 250 volts and rated power is 2500 watts. And the power cord is 200 centimeter long. Let's open this box and take a look inside. There you can see this is what it looks like. Comes with a power button as well. I'm going to pull it out. So this is the power surge, the power strip, or spike resistor as it's called by a lot of others. So so you can see there are three pins over here, 3 15 ampere pins over here. There's a power button over here and also 6 USB-A auto ID slots. That's a great addition. Okay, do we have any extra information over here? Anti-static power socket is written over here. That's more or less it. This is the very thick 300 volt and 200 centimeter long power cable for this particular power strip, as you can see. Now this power strip also comes with 3 extra cables. First off, we have a micro USB charging cable. There you can see micro USB charging cable with USB-A on one end. Then we also have a USB-C type charging cable. I'll leave this here. And we also have a lightning cable. There you see a lightning cable as well. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the LiveTech PS06 power strip. Thank you for watching.